In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out or log out of your YouTube account. So you can see on my YouTube account right now, at the bottom, I can sign out. Now you probably don't have that feature. You probably can't sign out because there's something you need to do, which I'll show you in this video, that's going to get that button for you and allow you to sign out. Okay, so now what I've done, I've reloaded my YouTube app, and now you can see I'm scrolling through all of my accounts here. But I don't have the sign out or log out button. So this is what you might see. So when you're on YouTube, if you go to your channel icon in the top right hand corner, you then go to your channel, you'll then see a list of all of the channels that you've got signed in. And if you scroll down here, you won't have any sign out button. Now here's what you've got to do. So this works on Android or iPhone. What you've got to do, you've got to go off of YouTube app and you've got to head to your YouTube settings. So just go to settings, and again this works on Android or iPhone. On Android you will go to apps and you need to find the YouTube app. Again on iPhone, go and find the YouTube app by just scrolling all the way down and then finding it. So here is my YouTube app here. So what we need to do now is we need to open the YouTube app. We can now go to storage, and you want to now clear the cache and also clear the data, and then click delete here on this data. Now once you've done that, go ahead and close out of the YouTube app completely. So mine's already gone now, and then just reopen it. It will reopen and it will now open fresh, like as new. It will now ask you to log into an account. I'm just going to go ahead and log into KnowledgeBase. And now if you go to the top right hand corner to your icon, you click on your channel, you can now see we've got a sign out button. So if you click on that sign out button, it's going to sign you out of all of your channels, or maybe just the channel that you're clicked on. But that's how you can log out or sign out of your YouTube channels on any phone on mobile. Please leave a like and comment down below if this video did help you out.